Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine. Yesterday I uploaded video on how to recite istighfar so that we can get maximum result, more benefits, and we get more effective result in our life. So yesterday one lady contacted me and told me her story. She said I was reciting Durood Sharif and istighfar, but my routine and my financial condition was same. There was no difference and I was not getting result. She told me that she worked online and sometimes she taught online students. It means that she had some student and she taught them online. And she was telling me that sometimes I received my payment on time and sometimes they delayed. And it happened with me that sometimes parents or the work what I am doing for other people, they did not pay to me, and that was so hurting to me because I am a needy person and I am running my family. Whatever I am earning, I have to give to my family. So she said I was so upset. She told me one incident that one evening I really needed money and I did not have money and I had to give in my home, and there were some expenses which I have to do at that same day. She told me that I was so worried that how could I manage the things. The work was not doing well. She said I performed namaz asar and after that I recited 1,000 times istighfar. The same place where I performed namaz asar, I sat there and kept reciting Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah with full concentration. And I was crying that time and I was saying in my heart that, oh Allah, I'm so sinner. I'm not good person and I have committed that sin that time, and I know that, but I did that thing, and I kept realizing and memorizing my sins, my bad habits, bad events, bad incidents which I did knowingly. I kept saying to Allah and I was repenting on it. I was crying. After completing 1,000 times istighfar, I sent sawab to the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and I said to Allah that I am so sinner and you are so merciful. Please help me. Please help me. I really need your help today. I really need money. Please help me. She said after that I did some work in my home, and again I sat alone and I started reciting Astaghfirullah 2,000 times. I completed 2,000 times and I kept crying on my condition because I was helpless and I couldn't tell anyone in my home that what the things I have done for other people, they are not paying for it. They are not giving my right because my family would get upset. I just could say to Allah, and I said to Allah that I am in pain. I'm suffering. Please help me. She said I completed 7,000 istighfar like this with full concentration, with repenting on my sin, and I kept crying and I kept telling my condition to Allah that I am suffering this. I need money. Please help me. A person who had to give my money, a person who had to pay me, please help me that he can pay me so that I could fulfill my expenses. She said I completed 7,000 istighfar and I kept doing like this 1,000, 2,000 in one sitting with full of concentration, and then I sent sawab to the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and pray for my condition, pray for my need, and pray for my wish. And till night I completed 7,000 istighfar. And when I completed 7,000 istighfar and I was praying, suddenly my mobile started ringing, and when I checked my mobile, I saw that I received payment in my account. I was so happy at that time and I was so thankful to Allah that because in night I was not considering that in night my client pay me because almost he always pay me in evening, in noon, but he never paid me in night. And that time when I think she said it was 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, I received my payment in my account. So I realized that we kept saying Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, and we kept reciting Durood Sharif, but the way we are reciting Durood Pak and Astaghfar is not correct. That's why we are not getting result. But if we recite istighfar in less quantity, not more, but the istighfar and durood sharif is from our heart. We are reciting from our heart. We are reciting with concentration. We are reciting and remembering our sins, our the bad things or bad habits or bad moments which we did knowingly, and we kept saying Allah that please forgive us, please forgive us. And then we keep asking dua, and then we keep sending sawab to the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we keep saying Allah that please help us, we need this, we desire this, and please help us that our this work will be fulfilled. So she said, you will never be disappointed. Allah will send help immediately. Allah will help you that moment when you are asking for help, when you are asking for forgiveness, when you are saying Astaghfirullah with your heart, when you are praying to Allah, you will never be disappointed. So she said, when I saw your video, then I realized that one day I did istighfar like this, and the same day I got result, and Allah accepted my pray, or Allah accepted my dua, and I got what I want the same day. So she said that I remembered that day, and she told her story. So we really need to do istighfar with concentration, with repenting on our sin, and we have to ask Allah dua or pray or our need. Inshallah ta'ala, Allah will help us and our things will be easy for us. May Allah bless all of us. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.